Hello everyone, welcome here in 6th class maths. Students, today we will start chapter number 2, factors and multiples. Yes, factors and multiples. Factors. If two or more numbers are multiplied together to get a product, then each of the numbers is called a factor or divisor of the product. Yes, we can understand this with example. 5 multiplied by 7 is equal to 35. So 5 and 7 are factors of 35. Yes. Next is 3 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 6 is equal to 72. So 3, 4, 6. 3, 4, 6 are factors of 72. Yes. Next is 1 multiply a number is equal to the number of itself. If you will multiply a number by 1, then you will get the same number. 1 is a factor of every number, and second, every number is a factor of itself. Yes. Second main thing is here multiples. The product of two or more numbers is called multiple of each of the number. Yes. For example, 5 multiplied by 7, 35. So 35 is a multiple of 5 and 7. 2 multiplied by 3 is equal to 6. So 6 is a multiple of 2 as well as 3. Yes. Now student, come to the exercise. In this exercise 2a, in question number 1, he is saying, is 35 a factor of 455? For this student, we will check the divisibility of this 35. If we will divide this 455 by 35, if it divisible without leaving a remainder, then this will be a factor. Yes. First it is going one time 35, on subtraction we are getting 10, then we will take 5, and now 35, this is going 3 times completely 105. Yes, no remainder is here. It means 35 is a factor of 455. Yes, this is a factor. Second, is 13 a factor of 816? Yes, same process we will apply. We will divide this 816 by 13. If we will divide this completely without leaving a remainder, then this will be a factor. Check this. Yes, on dividation we are getting 10 as a remainder. It means this is not a factor of 816. Third, are 5 and 3 factors of 1647? For this student, we will divide to check this. If we will divide this number 1647 by 5, then we are getting here a remainder. Yes, 2 is a remainder for this dividation. And if we are dividing this 1647 by 3, then here is no remainder. It is completely divisible. It means 3 is a factor of 1647. Like this student, rest part try yourself. Yes, question number 2 is here, write the first 8 multiples of 7. To find the multiples of this number 7, we have to multiply this by 1, 2, 3, 4 like this up to 8. Yes. On multiply we are getting multiples 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, 49, 56. These are the 8 multiples of 7. Yes. Come to this question number 3. Write all the prime numbers between 1 and 50. Student, do you know about this prime number? Yes. Prime numbers means if it does not have a factor other than 1 and itself, then it will be a prime number. Yes, here from 1 to 50, these are prime numbers. Yes, 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29, 31, 37, 41, 43, 47. These are the prime numbers. Those are divisible by 1 and itself. Yes, question number 4 is here. Make pair of co-prime numbers from 15, 21, 28, 16 and 11. Yes, first we have to know here what is co-prime. Co-prime numbers, two numbers are called co-prime numbers if they do not have a common factor other than 1. Yes, it means if two numbers are co-prime, they have only common factor 1. To make the pair, I am taking first here 15, and with the 15 I am taking 28, because if we will take 21 with this 15, both are divisible by 3, and if we will take this 28, these have common factor 1. With the 15, next one is 16, both is having one common factor. With 15, next number is 11, 15 and 11. Then I am taking this 21, 21 with 16, both are having one common factor. Then 21 with 11, and the next number is 28, 28 with 11, both are having one common factor, and 16 with 11. Yes, these are the required pairs. Now student, come to the next exercise, exercise 2b. In this first question we have to check the divisibility by 2. Some rules are here that we have to keep in our mind. First, to check the divisibility by 2. Yes, a number is divisible by 2 if its ones digit is 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Then this number will be divisible by 0. Okay, let's check. I am taking here starting 3 part. Yes, here digit at once. Here 1. It means this is not divisible by 2. Second, here one's digit is 0. It means this number will be divisible by 2. And the third, one's digit at once is here 4. It means this will be divisible by 2. Like this, student, apply this rule on fourth and fifth part. Now come to next one. Second, divisibility by 3. Yes, to test the divisibility by 3, a number is divisible by 3 if the sum of the digit of the number is divisible by 3. First we have to find the sum of digit. Yes, in this first part 5, 7, 9, and digits are 5, 7, 9. If we will add these, we are getting 21. 21 is divisible by 3, that's why this number will be divisible by 3. Yes, this is divisible by 3. Second part, if we will add all these digits, then we are getting 23. 23 is not divisible by 3. That's why this number will not divisible by 3. Third part, on adding all these digits, we are getting 36. 36 is divisible by 3. That's why this number will divisible by 3. Yes. Now come to this 3, divisibility by 4. Yes, a number is divisible by 4 if the number formed by its last two digit is divisible by 4. We have to take last two digit. Last two digit 1, 2 means 12. If we will divide this by 4, if this will completely divisible by 4, then this number will be divisible by 4. Yes, 12 is completely divisible by 4. That's why this number 712 divisible by 4. Third part is here 3538. What we have to do to check the divisibility by 4? We have to take last two digit 3 and 8, and we will divide this by 4. Yes, it is not completely divisible. Point is coming. 8 means this is not 3538 is not divisible by 4. This number is not divisible by 4. Third part 79006. Last two digit 06. If we will divide this, we are getting 1.5. Decimal number is here. It means this number 79006 is not divisible by 4. Next is question number 4, divisibility by 5. Yes, divisibility by 5. Any number that ends in either 0 or 5 is divisible by 5. We can check this easily. Here, this number ends with 9. It means it is not divisible by 5. And this number ends with 0. Yes, this is divisible by 5. And the third, this ends with 6. It means this is not divisible by 5. Like this, student, rest part you have to try yourself. Divisibility by 6. A number is divisible by 6 if it is divisible by 2 and 3 both. We have to check the divisibility 2 and 3 both. Yes. In this first part, 8 to 2. We know a number is divisible by 2 if its ones digit is 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Yes. Its ones digit is 2. It means it is divisible by 2. But to check the divisibility by 3, we have to add all these digits of this number. On adding, we are getting 12. Yes, 12 is divisible by 3. It means 8 to 2 is divisible by 2 and 3 both. That's why this number is divisible by 6. Yes, we will write. In second part, 3039. 0 here at once. 0 is here. It means it is divisible by 2. On finding the sum of these digits, we are getting 12. 12 is divisible by 3. This number is divisible by both 2 and 3. That's why this is divisible by 6. Yes, this number also divisible by 6. On third part, 6 is here at once. It is divisible by 2. But on finding the sum of all these digits, 25 is here. This is not divisible by 3. It means this number is not divisible by 6. Now come to the 6. We have to check the divisibility by 7. Here is a rule to find the divisibility by 7. A number is divisible by 7 if the difference between twice the ones digit and the number found by the other digits is divisible by 7. Yes. Take this one, first part. 2, 5, 3, 4, 7. What we have to do? First we have to find the twice of ones digit. 7 is here. We will find the twice. And we have to subtract this, multiply from the number found by the others digit. Others digits are here 2, 5, 3, 4. 2, 5, 3, 4. On subtraction we are getting here, yes, on multiply we are getting 14. On subtraction we are getting 2, 5, 2, 0. Again we will apply the same method for this number. We have to take the ones digit, this is 0, and we will multiply this by 2. Then we are getting 0. And the rest number formed by the other digit, that is 252. 252 minus 0, 252. Again we will take this ones digit 2 and 2 multiply by 2, and the rest number is 25. 25 minus 4, we are getting 21. This number is divisible by 7. That's why we can say that 2, 5, 3, 4, 7 is divisible by 7. Second part is here. Yes. 54067. What we have to do? We have to take ones digit. This is 7. 7 multiplied by 2, 14. And the rest number found by the other digit, 5406. We will subtract this 14. Then we are getting 5392. Again we will apply this method. We will take here ones digit, that is 2. We will multiply this by 2 and take the rest number, rest digit 539. On subtraction we are getting 535. Now we will take 5 and find the twice of this number, and the rest digit 5 and 3. 53 minus 10, 43. 43 is not divisible by 7. That's why this number is not divisible by 7. Next is question number 7. We have to check the divisibility by 8. And the rule to find the divisibility by 8 is a number is divisible by 8 if the number formed by its last 3 digit is divisible by 8. For this student, we will take the last 3 digit and we will check the divisibility this number by 8. On dividation, we are getting 0 as a remainder. It means it is completely divisible. That's why we can say that this 83860 is completely divisible by 8. Next is second part, 8116. What we have to do to find out the divisibility by 8? We have to take the last 3 digit. Yes. And we have to check the divisibility by this number, which is making by last 3 digit 116. We have to check the divisibility by 8. On dividation, we are getting 4 as a remainder. It means this is not divisible by 8. And now we can say that 8116 is not divisible by 8. Strength rest part. Now divisibility by 9. Divisibility by 9 means we have to find the sum of digit of the number. Yes, first part is 4266. On adding all these digits, we are getting 18. 18 is divisible by 9. That's why this number will divisible by 9. Second part is here. On adding all these digits, we are getting 24. 24 is not divisible by 9. That's why this number will also not divisible by 9. Now come to this question number 9, divisibility by 10. Divisibility by 10 rule is a number is divisible by 10 if its ones digit is 0. Easily we can check this. Yes, in first part 0 is here at once. This is divisible by 10. In second part 6 is here. This is not divisible by 10. And in third part last digit is 0. That's why this number is divisible by 10. Rest part you have to do yourself in homework. 10. Divisibility by 11. For this you have to learn the rules of divisibility by 11. Rule is you have to find the difference of the sum of its digit in the odd places and the sum of its digit in the even places is either 0 or divisible by 11. Then this number will be divisible by 11. Okay, odd number means ones, hundreds, these are odd places, and even places tens, thousands, 10 and 1000, these are even places. What we have to do? First we have to find the digit in the odd places. We will take this 3 at odd place 1, and the second odd place this 100. 3 plus 7 10. Now come to the sum of digit in the even places. We will take this 10, tens digit, this is 7, and 3, this is at thousands place. 3 plus 7 10, and the difference is 10 minus 10 0. If 0 is difference, it means this is divisible by 11. Second part is here. We have to find the sum of the digit in the odd places. We will take this 8, 9, 3 and 2. Sum is 22. Now we have to take the sum of digit in the even places. 0, 0, 2. On adding we are getting 2. And the difference 22 minus 2, 20. This is not divisible by 11. That's why this number will not divisible by 11. This method you have to apply for rest of the part of this question number 10. Question number 11. This is question number 11. In each of the following numbers, replace star by the smallest digit to make it divisible by 3. We have to check this number divisibility by 3. What is the rule to find the divisibility by 3? We have to find the sum of all digits of given number. If we are adding digit, then we are getting here 8. 8. And smallest digit we have to put here at this place of this star. If we will put here 1, then we are getting 9. 9 is divisible by 3. 8 means the required digit is 1. If we will put here 1, we will add this 1 plus 5 plus 1 plus 2, then we will get 9. It means the required number is 1. We will replace this star by 1. Second, yes, we have to find the smallest digit to make this divisible by 3. If we are adding this number 7 star 5 6 3 1, we are getting 22. In this 22, if we will add 2 smallest digit, then we are getting 24, and 24 is divisible by 3. 8 means the required number is 2. We can replace this star by 2. Yes, student, like this rest part, try yourself of this question number 11. Now come to the 12. In each of the following number, replace star by the smallest digit to make it divisible by 9. Yes. What is the rule to find the divisibility by 9? We have to find the sum of digit of given number. Yes, 3, 5 star 7. On adding, we are getting 15. In this 15, if we will add 3, then we are getting 18. 18 is divisible by 3. 8 means the smallest digit is here 3. We will replace this sign by 3. Second part. Yes, 4 star 799. On adding, we are getting here 29. 29 is not divisible by 9. To make this divisible, the smallest digit is 7 we have to take. On adding, we are getting 36. 36 is divisible by 9. 8 means we can replace this star by 7. 7 is the required digit. Okay, student, rest part, try yourself. Student, question number 13, you will try yourself. This is same as question number 10. Yes, you have to apply the rule of divisibility by 11. Sum of the digit in odd places and the sum of the digit in even places you have to find, and then you will find the difference. Okay, if the difference is 0 or divisible by 11, then this number will be divisible by 11. Come to this question number 14. In this question number 14, give an example of a number. In first part, he is saying which is divisible by 2 but not by 2. To make this easy, we will find the multiples of 2 and 4. Here we are getting 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 like this. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24. Here student, mostly common numbers are here in both of the multiples. Here only 12, 8, 16 also here. But between 12 and 16, 14 is here. 14 is divisible by 2 but not divisible by 4. It means the required number is 14. Second part, which is divisible by 3 but not divisible by 6. Yes, student. For this we will write the multiples of 3 and multiples of 6. Here 3, 6 is common and 12 common, 18 also common. Before this 12, 6 and 12, between this 9 is a number. 9 is divisible by 3 but this is not divisible by 6. 8 means this is the required number. Like this, student, rest part try yourself, and rest part of other questions you have to do in homework yourself. And up to the next video. Thank you.